Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get all black tattoos in NBA 2K26 using a simple tattoo trick. So let's get started. First, enter the tattoo shop in NBA 2K26. Once you are inside, go to the category called Letters and Numbers. Now scroll through the available styles and select Style 10. After selecting Style 10, choose the letter M from the list. Now place the tattoo on your player's body. To make it cover more area, push the right stick all the way up to increase the size as much as possible. Rotate the tattoo using the right stick until it is positioned correctly. Once you're happy with the placement, now repeat the same process. Select the letter M again, increase its size to the maximum, rotate it, and place it next to the previous tattoo. As you continue repeating this process, you'll notice that your arm starts becoming completely covered with black ink. You can use the same method on your chest, back, legs, and other body parts until your entire player is covered in black tattoos. Keep in mind that this method requires a lot of tattoos, so it can cost around 20,000 VC or more, depending on how much of the body you want to cover. And that's it. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, then subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates.